Now, the Nio stock price yesterday finished as soon as screen trading at $5.18, down 5.82%. After market hours, there was nothing major that happened on the stock price. Looking into XPeng finished the day trading at $21.35, down 2.2%. After market hours, it was down 0.12%. Let's go into Rivian. Rivian yesterday finished trading at $17.16, up 1.78%, and after market hours it went 0.12%. Now take cognizance of the fact that market cap of Lucid is $21 billion, market cap of Nio is $13 billion, market cap of XPeng is $20.8 billion. Now, the reason why I flagged these three companies, or I'm talking about the share price of these companies, is to try to show you how unjustified the market is onto Nio. I mean, Nio just last week on Tuesday gave us their Q3 earnings, which came to be very, very good, even though the guidance was not as per the expectations. But Nio still sees profitability. Nio net losses came below $500 million. Nio's earnings per share adjusted or non-GAAP came at 15 cents, which shows you that Nio is almost getting to profitability. Cash at hand increase, which that again shows you that of course things are improving for Nio. But even with that, you find that, or we are saying that Nio's market cap is $7-8 billion than XPeng and Rivian. Why is that? I mean, Rivian total quarterly deliveries that they reported in Q3 came at 13,201. This is what Rivian delivered in 3 months. Yesterday, for the month of November, Nio delivered 36,000 or over 36,200. So Rivian is not even delivering what Nio is delivering. So what Rivian is delivering per quarter, 3 months, Nio is it's even far below what Nio is delivering in 1 month. But Rivian's market cap is $8 billion, more than that of Nio. Someone try to explain this one for me. Look, I went to check Rivian and Q3 earnings, right? And their net losses are over $1.1 billion. So Rivian is losing $1.1 billion, but on the other hand, they've got a market cap $8 billion more than that of Nio. This does not make sense, my dear friends. It doesn't make sense at all, because our very own Nio, when our net losses were not even over $1 billion, but were almost, we were being punished at the share price of Nio went to $3. We know the story, but right now the net losses of Nio are below 500 or are lower than $500 million, but we are seeing Nio still being punished by the market. As for what's the reason, I don't know. I mean, XPeng, the very same thing that, or the very same figure that Nio delivered of November, XPeng almost got the same figure, 36,000, which this again shows you how unjustified the market is. I mean, XPeng's market cap is $7 billion clear from Nio's market cap. And this, my dear friends, it does not make sense. It does not add up. We found ourselves into situations where the shorts are really trying to bring down once again the share price of Nio. But look, man, what gives me the confidence? It's exactly what we saw from August going or coming to sometime in September, where we saw Nio moving from $3 to $8 in a space or within 3 months. That, to me, it gave me some very, very good confidence that, look, don't really focus that much onto the share price of Nio, because look, Nio fundamentals, everyone can see that they are improving, but the market is just deciding not to reward Nio. I mean, again, I see XPeng, right? XPeng, look, at least delivery wise, it's delivering more than Nio, if we are to be fair, right? They deliver more than Nio. But even XPeng, looking now at the revenue that they generate by delivering those 36,000 cars, I can guarantee you that in terms of revenues that XPeng generated from the deliveries they reported yesterday versus that revenue that Nio delivered with their, of course, 30 same, almost the same delivery, like XPeng of 36,000. Nio will generate 2 times the revenue that XPeng generated with that same figure. This is because majority of the cars that are selling well onto XPeng are Ismona 3, P7. Those cars are around $16,000 to $20,000 and making the revenues that they generate from their cars not to be as good as the revenues that Nio is generating with their main brand cars. I mean, the car that is doing the most under Nio main brand is the ES8, which starts around $56,000, $57,000. And therefore, with that just put on the table, you and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves. Nio should be valued more than XPeng, in my personal opinion. This is why I decided to do a video talking about these 3 companies. So what does this mean for me and you? I mean, we know we are seeing these things right here, but that the market is not fair when it comes to Nio. It looks like there's a lot of panic selling under Nio, and people don't realize the potential that is under Nio, which is something that, like I said, I thought of coming and sharing it with you. It's very important that you know all these things, because you still find people, of course, pumping and pumping, because you find people saying bad stuff about Nio, but they are not realizing that there are some companies that look, they are not profitable, but they are valued way more than Nio. I mean, how does the RIVN get to be valued $8 billion more than Nio when they are not, their quarterly deliveries cannot even come close to the monthly delivery that Nio is producing? I mean, that one does not even make sense. They will say partnerships, but Nio also has got partnerships. It's just unjustified. But anyways, the purpose of this video was trying to remind you guys once again that, look, right now is not a time to panic, but it's a time to accumulate, because we know that Nio is going to profitability. We know that the Nio that we are seeing now is very much different from the Nio we were seeing previously, and therefore we need to take the low trading price as opportunities to increase our holdings, as an opportunity to load the boat onto Nio, because look, we are going to be rewarded. The same thing that we saw when Nio launched their first 6-seater, which was on for L90, and we see the share price recovering in the space of within 3 months, share price going up from $3 to $8. It's the same thing that we are going to see in your stock price moving from $5 into double digits. I mean, yesterday I did a video where Bank of China gave Nio a price target of $10.50, meaning that wherever you are seeing, or where we are seeing Nio trading at right now, it's an opportunity to load the boat, to increase our holdings, because even the big guns or smart money really sees the potential from Nio. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit or click that notification bell. I will see you on the next one. That's all from me, and God bless you all.